Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start the session on how to prepare the cards, the beautiful cards. Krishna Salampuria is amongst us and she will teach us how to prepare cards. So Krishna. Yes, over to you.
Yeah.
Please start your session.
Okay. Everyone can on their camera. First, we will take that A4 size paper like this.
Good evening, ma'am.
First, we will take the A4 size paper. I will show you down. Then we will fold like this in half, in two parts. It is visible, no?
Ma'am, do we need to fold it vertically or horizontally?
Vertical. Like this. Now open that part, and we have to make triangles of the corners up to the center of that vertical. We have in two halves like this from all the corners like this. It is visible. We have folded like this first. Then we have yeah from all the four corners. Like this. Now we will take this side. Fold it properly from all the four sides. Then fold it like this. From both the sides. From both the sides. Yeah. Now we will take this corner, and fold it up to the inner, fold it inside. from both the sides. Now turn that from this, turn it upside down like this.
Ma'am, should the front side look somewhat like an envelope like this?
Yeah, yeah. After this, here we can write any message. Like I am writing some message here. You can also write whatever message you want to write. You want to write happy birthday, or you want to write some message. You want to draw some cake, or you can draw like this. I am writing some message here. That, like you can see here. You can use colorful pens, sketch pens, glitter pens.
मैम कौन सा टाइप का पेपर लेना है?
A4 size paper. Should I show it once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will start from the beginning. First, I have taken an A4 size page like this. Then I have folded it in the half from the center like this. Then I have opened it and folded from the corners to the center. From all the four corners. Now I have taken this part, this open part, and fold it in this inside up to the center from both the sides. Now I have taken this corner and fold it inside, and from this side also. I'm going to write some message over here.
मैम एक बार फिर से दिखाएंगे?
Okay. सबसे पहले ये A4 साइज का पेपर लिया, फिर उसको ऐसे फोल्ड किया सेंटर से ऐसे, दो पार्ट्स में हो गया ये। अब उसको ओपन किया, सबको सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे फोल्ड करने के बाद ओपन किया, ओपन किया, फिर कॉर्नर से सेंटर तक के, लाइन के सेंटर तक के इसको फोल्ड किया ऐसे ट्रायंगल में, ऐसे चारों कॉर्नर से किया, फर्स्ट कॉर्नर, सेकंड कॉर्नर, थर्ड कॉर्नर एंड फोर्थ कॉर्नर, प्रॉपर प्रेस किया। किया सबने? उसके बाद में ये जो ओपन पार्ट है इतना, उसको भी सेंटर की लाइन तक के प्रेस किया ऐसे। ये पार्ट है ओपन, इसको भी वो किया। वैसे ही दूसरे साइड से। अब इसको जो कॉर्नर है ये ट्रायंगल वाला, इसको अंदर फोल्ड किया। ये कॉर्नर है, इसको फोल्ड किया और इसको उल्टा किया। अब और इस पे अब कुछ भी मैसेज लिखो आप, हैप्पी बर्थडे लिखना है या कुछ केक बनाना है, कुछ मैसेज लिखना है, यू कैन राइट।
मैंने ऐसे ना,
हाँ अब उसको, इसको फोल्ड करो। वो जो कॉर्नर है ऐसा था ना, ये कॉर्नर को फोल्ड करो अंदर। ये फोल्ड किया आपने, इसको अंदर भी फोल्ड करो दोनों साइड से। हाँ अब उसको उल्टा कर लो ऐसे। हाँ अब
ऐसे
इस पे कुछ भी हैप्पी बर्थडे लिखना है आपको, हैप्पी बर्थडे, नहीं तो मैं ऐसे कुछ ऐसे लिख रही हूँ तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हो।
हम बोली चलता है क्या बनेगा, बेटा हो जाके बनाते हैं।
सबने लिखा कुछ न कुछ?
Ma'am, I'm not finished yet.
Okay, okay. You can also stick photograph of your loved ones if you want to give on their happy birthday or anniversary.
मॉम भी ऐसे तो मॉम ही लिखना पड़ेगा ना क्या कर रहा फैल जाएगा डेकोरेशन करने का देख मैम मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया
सबका वर्क कंप्लीट?
यस
Ma'am, can you please wait a minute more?
Ma'am completed.
All of you have completed?
ये बड़ी है ना इसको जल्दी होना चाहिए
सबका हुआ डेकोरेट करके?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ चिपकाना है तो वो भी चिपका सकते हैं, फ्लावर्स या ग्लिटर कुछ, या किसी की फोटो चिपकानी है वो भी चिपका सकते हो। अब अपन इसको फोल्ड करेंगे। कैसे फोल्ड करेंगे? सबका हुआ ना लिखिए।
नहीं मैम
Okay, I will
Ma'am,
wait.
1 minute.
Okay, I will wait for 5 minutes more.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now I will show how to fold this. We will take this like this and fold it. We have to make three parts, equal three parts of this. Like you can see, I have folded up to this this triangle tip only. You have to fold inside. From this side also. Everyone has folded?
No, ma'am. You can show it one more time.
Okay. After writing the message, I have folded this from inside like this. I have written the message here and I have folded it inside and I have made three equal parts. This is the first part. This is the second part, middle one, and this is the third. And I have folded this like this. Now we will put it inside. All of you have folded now?
Ma'am, you can show it one more time.
Okay. I have written message over here. Then fold it like this. This triangle part should be visible properly, means, and from this side also.
Ma'am, folded.
Okay, then now open the first part only. This part, I have folded it last and then I have opened it. Now
Yes.
I will put this corner inside this part. Okay? Like this. I will show you first. Like this. And similarly, this part also inside this.
Ma'am, I did not understand how to put it.
I have folded this part first and then this part.
Ma'am, ऐसे ना.
Yeah.
इसको खींच.
This part, can you see? Kapish, can you see?
Yes, ma'am, I printed video.
This part I have put inside this part. Similarly, this corner also inside the other part. This corner inside this. Put it properly so that your paper should not get cut from any side. Done?
No, ma'am, almost.
Okay.
Fat from one side, like this. It's not being. Something has happened over on this side. It's
I'm not
getting
able to see. Can you put
Ma'am, see
bring
something
it upside? I am not able to see.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. It's getting very fat from this side, and as if
I am not able to see it clearly. Can you show me clearly?
Ma'am, it's getting fat from one side like this and getting thin from the other side like this. What should I do about the fat side?
Just press it so that it will get thin. No problem for that.
Ma'am, the paper got crushed over
Ma'am,
here.
like
That is
that.
why this happened.
Do it properly. Yeah.
Ma'am, like that.
Any, yeah, right. Just, but do it properly so that your paper do not get teared.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yeah. Just make sure that this part is not too much is over here. If it is here, then it can get tear. As we have to open this part. Now after this, we have to open this. That's why. Disha, this part is too much like this. It is too short now
Ma'am,
for me.
now it's settled. And it's coming somewhat like this in the end.
Can you open now? I will show. Can you just tell me? Can you open this like that? Then I will say you, Kapish.
Ma'am, we need to pull this part.
Yeah. Now we will write over here pull so that if you want to gift to someone, we can gift it. Now everyone, please write over here pull and make an arrow downwards like this. I will show you. Yeah, and just try to open this properly.
Ma'am, it is working 100%.
Yeah. Now just try to pull this. And you can see the message what you have written. Everyone is able to pull that.
Yes.
You can also write some happy birthday over here also, or you can stick
Ma'am, like
photograph or make balloons.
Ma'am, like that.
Yeah, and now try to pull this part, but slowly so that your paper do not get cut from any side.
Okay,
Your
ma'am.
paper is thick, it will not cut, but if it is thick, then now you can see the message what you have written.
मैम ऐसे ना
1 minute. हाँ, इसको भी ओपन करो, उसको भी ऐसा पूरा नहीं ओपन करना, बस आपने इसको सिर्फ इसको पुल करो, सिर्फ आपने ऐसे फोल्ड किया, ऐसे फोल्ड करके बताओ, फिर मैं बताती हूँ कैसे ओपन करना। ऐसे फोल्ड हुआ ना, अंदर गया वो दिखाओ, वो ऐसे अंदर डाले हुआ दिखाओ। हाँ, अब इसको सिर्फ इसको पुल करो आप, जैसे मैंने किया। पुल हुआ, अब इसको भी ओपन करो, इसको भी ऐसे।
और तुम मैम दिखाना, मैम ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है।
ये ऐसे था, आपका अपने अंदर डाला। एक मिनट, अंदर डाला, इसको पुल किया, हाँ पुल करो, हाँ पुल किया, इसको अंदर, इसको उसको ऐसे पीछे गया ना वो। हाँ ऐसे। अब
ओके मैम। इसको ढकना छूटा है और वो हम मम्मी को दिखाते हैं।
सबका हुआ?
नहीं मैम, मेरा नो मैम, आई एम स्टिल डेकोरेटिंग.
ओके।
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, you can also decorate more with colorful pens,
Okay,
or
ma'am.
you have some stickers of
Yes,
different
ma'am. I
shades.
have some stickers also.
ऐसा पहले भी बनाया था।
Okay, you can try 2-3 times so that you have clarity in that.
Ma'am, I'm done.
सभी ने बढ़िया से बना लिया?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सबका कार्ड दिखाइए, सब कुछ शो मी ऑल ऑफ यू योर कार्ड्स. Yes, these are Siddhi, Apti. Oh wow, so beautiful. सुंदर बनाया. Yes, yes.
मैम मैंने 2 दो बनाया।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
एक पहले का
ओह
एक
सो
अभी।
स्वीट। अभी सबको क्या ना, जब आपके घर में किसी का बर्थडे आएगा ना, तो यू कैन प्रिपेयर कार्ड।
ओके
किसी का भी
मैम।
बर्थडे आएगा, मम्मी का, पापा का, सिस्टर का, ब्रदर का, तो ऐसी कार्ड बना देना। बच्चे लोग से थैंक्स टू कृष्णा मैम।
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक्स
Thank
अ
you, ma'am.
लॉट
Thank you, ma'am.
for your precious time which you have given to all this, Krishna ma'am. So kids, आज हमारा क्लास पूरा हो गया, कल फिर मिलते हैं। गुड नाइट एवरीवन।
क्लास होगा?
हाँ बेटा,
कल कौन सा क्लास होगा?
ग्रुप में मैं डाल दूंगी।